Good morning, children. This is your teacher, Nafisa Edinwala, welcomes you all to online session of K-Tech High School and Junior College. Children, as you all know that our first unit test is very close for the academic year. So we need to revise our syllabus, and here I am to help you with your revision. So today we are going to revise the poem Past, Present, Future from your Bal Bharti 1.1. So, first, let us read the poem, children. Past, Present, Future by Emily Bronte. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening, soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Tell me, what is the present hour? A green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. And what is the future happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea stretching into infinity. Now, we will start with our short summary of the poem. Let's read it so that we recollect what we have done in our sessions. Paraphrase, that is, we are going to do, children. In the poem Past, Present, and Future, the poet Emily Bronte asks the child what the past, present, and future looks like to him. In an innocent manner, the child describes the nature that he associates with each of these time periods. Describes the nature, that is, which nature? That seasons, autumn, spring, and brightly, right? Summer season. So when the child is asked by the poetess about the past, the smiling child says that it is like an autumn evening where the wind lets out sorrowful breath. The past for the child is something that he remembers with longing and with little sadness. The falling of leaves and mournful sigh of the wind conveys means symbolizes or tries to tells us that the child is unhappy. He is not really unhappy. He is unhappy about the fact that he cannot go back to his past because the past has passed and he cannot go back. Now, you all are quite grown up. Can you go back to your childhood? You are right now happy children, right? Smiling, happy. But can you go back to the age of 1 and 2? So you remember that as a sweet memories. You're feeling sad. अरे मैं छोटा बच्चा होता तो. So in that way, the child seems to be unhappy because he cannot go back to his past. Now, in a second paragraph, when the child is asked about the present hour, the child says that it is like a springtime with greenery and flowers around, where the young bird on a branch of a tree is just learning to fly. The present for the child is full of possibilities, a place where he can take chances. He is gathering his strength and looking forward to head into the world. So, according to the child, the present hour is what? Springtime, where birds are chirping, trees bear new fruits and flowers. That means he is comparing his present with a springtime which is bright, sprightly, where there are many opportunities for him, and he is gathering his power like a young bird who is gathering his strength to fly. So, here the child is gathering its power to explore and go into the world. Now, in the last paragraph, when the child is asked by the poetess about the future, the happy child says that it is like an unknown vast sea that has stretched far and wide under the bright sun. We cannot see the end of the sea, and the child associates this imaginary with future. According to him, the future is wonderful, exciting, as well as mysterious, and he is eager to explore it. Now, when the poetess is asking the child how his future is, so the child says it's just like the sea which is beneath the cloudless sun, like a summer season. He is comparing it with summer season, where he feels that his future is very vast, bright, glorious, mysterious, but he does not know where it ends. He is saying that there are many opportunities for him, possibilities and opportunities that he needs to explore. So he says that his future is wonderful, where the child is quite grown up, that is, we can say, and is ready to face all the difficulties and become successful, right? That is, he wants to succeed in life. So he's saying it is vast, exciting, and wonderful, though it is mysterious. But at the same time, he's ready to take a risk. So, what you must do, accept your past without regrets. पास्ट के बारे में सोचकर दुखी नहीं होना है. Can you go back? No. Handle your present with confidence. आपका जो present time है उसको confidently pass करो. Be very confident in your present and face future without fear. That means you have to be fearless. Don't be scared what will happen in future. Just move ahead in life. And a day will come you will succeed, leaving behind all the failures, right? Have you recalled everything? Okay. Now, this is a short question paper or a practice paper which you are going to solve in your notebook. Answer the following. Is the child happy or sad? How do you know? Question number 2. How is the future according to the child? Question number 3. What is the young bird doing? Question number 4. What does the wind do? Write the adjective that is used to describe the following. That is another question. Evening, second is spray, and third is sea. Fill in the blanks. Autumn evening, dash and dash. A young bird sits gathering its dash. A sea beneath the dash, sun. That's all for the day today, children. See you in the next session. Stay safe and stay connected, children.